Website security is more important than ever. Cyber attacks are on the rise, and businesses need to act now to protect themselves. Here are 9 practical tips to improve your website's security. First, ensure all users on your website have strong, secure passwords. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. You can also restrict login access to specific IP addresses for added protection. 2. Assign appropriate roles to CMS users. For instance, a marketing assistant shouldn't have full admin access. And don't forget to delete accounts for users who no longer need access. 3. Keep your CMS plugins and themes updated. Outdated code is a common vulnerability that attackers exploit. 4. Regularly remove unused plugins and files from your website. This reduces security risks and can even improve site performance. 5. Run regular malware scans to detect and remove any harmful code lurking on your website. 6. Ensure you have an SSL certificate to encrypt data between your website and its visitors. It's essential for building trust and avoiding browser warnings. 7. Select a reliable hosting provider with robust security measures, including firewalls and restricted file access. 8. Always have backups of your website files and database. Store them for several days to ensure you can recover from any issues, whether accidental or malicious. 9. Protect your site with a web application firewall like Cloudflare. Web application. Firewalls filter traffic, block harmful access, and even speed up your site through content delivery networks. Take action today to secure your website. Whether you handle it yourself or work with your web designer, these steps will help protect your business online.